Zego upgraded F22 RC drones for kids and beginner, easy to fly and hover, RC helicopter quadcopter fighter jet with 360 degrees flip, LED light indication, 4 propellers and 2 batteries. Gift toys for kids. Blue. Long time flight, lightweight design and LED light indication. This upgraded remote CONTROL RC F22 drone is made by lightweight elastic foam material and 2 rechargeable batteries for flight indoors and outdoors, about 30 minutes, small LED lights for night flight. Recommend for both beginners and experienced pilots. Both flight and hover hybrid models, 4-bladed propellers with 6-axis gyroscope technology and altitude hold mode is better thrust and energy efficiency. This RCF-22 plane can fly and hover for your unique flight experiences. 1 key 360-degree flip stunt, press a single button on remote control. This fighter jet drone does a 360-degree flip during flight. 1 button vertical takeoff and landing, press a takeoff button. The hover jet takes off and hover at 3 above the floor. Press the takeoff button again. The hover jet lands gradually. 2 easily charging batteries and 2 spare propellers. Each RCF-22 drone has an USB charger to charge each battery conveniently for up to 15-minute flight time, and also has 2 spare propellers for replacing damaged propellers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.